Today we're hosting an event at Spicer's head office location in Vaughan, and we're doing an Arlon vehicle workshop. So we have a good group of folks here today. Some have a little bit of experience, some have a little bit more, some are brand new. So that's a perfect class. Started off the day in the classroom setting where I spoke to some of our adhesive technology and our liner technology. And this afternoon it's all hands-on. Students here are learning knife techniques, post-heating, where to stretch the vinyl, how to stretch the vinyl properly. And hosting the workshop with me is Braden Knapp. He is a Arlon certified installer and Arlon certified trainer. So lots of tips and tricks to be learned from Braden today. Big thanks to Spicer's. They're a great partner of Arlon. Happy to partner with Spicer's across Canada on these workshops.